In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay traffic ticket online in Utah State. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, how to look up your case, and how to complete a secure payment with a proper receipt for your records. First, open your web browser on a phone, tablet, or computer and go to the official Utah State Courts payment page. Utah uses a centralized system for fines, so you won't need to visit a separate city or county site. On the courts page, look for options labeled Pay Court Fine or My Case plus ePay. Both lead to the same place where you can search for your case and complete payment. Once you're in the payment area, you'll be asked to find your ticket. You can search using your citation number, your case number, or your name. Your citation number is printed on your traffic ticket. The case number may appear on a notice from the court. If you search by name, enter it exactly as it appears on your ticket, and include your date of birth if the site asks for it. Watch for typos and try removing dashes or extra spaces if your first search doesn't work. If nothing comes up, double check that you're using the correct court system for Utah and verify the number from your paperwork. After the system locates your record, take a moment to review the ticket details carefully. Confirm the violation type matches what you received, verify the total fine, and note any due date or court date listed. Make sure everything belongs to you and looks correct before moving forward. If anything appears off, pause and contact the court listed on your paperwork to clarify before paying. When you're ready, select your case to begin payment. Enter your debit or credit card details on the secure checkout page, making sure your billing address matches what your bank has on file to prevent declines. A small convenience fee may apply, and the site will show it before you submit. Avoid navigating away or refreshing the page while the transaction processes. When your payment is accepted, you'll see a confirmation screen and a receipt number. Save proof right away by downloading the receipt or taking a clear screenshot. It's a good idea to store it somewhere you can easily find later, and you can also email it to yourself for backup. Keep this confirmation until you can verify the payment has posted to your case. That's it. Use the Utah State Courts payment page, find your case, review the details, pay securely, and save your confirmation. Paying before the due date helps you avoid late fees or additional court action.